Okay, so hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about how to do even and odd numbers to see if it's even or odd. So yes, let's just get right in and let's make the variable called a. Use int. So because it's a number, so of course we need to use that. And I taught you this a long time ago. You should already know it. Enter your number. So we're just going to check one number, and if that one number is positive, even or odd. Okay? So now this is where we start from the even and odd. So if a, now look, if I divide, okay, even number by 2, my remainder will be 0. But if I divide odd by 2, my remainder will be 1. So we want to find even. So we don't do a divide 2 is equal to 0 because that's wrong. Or not even percentage 0, which means remainder 0. This is what we do. So if a percentage, which means remainder 2, and if the remainder is 0, we print it's an even number. But we want to use string formatting. So how do we do that? Yes. We learned how we do string formatting a long time ago in inputs. Is an even number. Okay? Now for odd. For odd is simple, okay? So we're going to do the if condition. So I want to know how well you know. Okay, so if a percentage 2, now odd divide 2 is the remainder 1. So we write here equals 2 and then 1. Okay? Good. Now we print that it's an odd number. So Control C and now Control V. Okay, now this is an odd number. Odd number. Okay? Now if I run the code and let's say I enter 2. 2 is an even number. See what it says? Now if I run the code again and let me write an odd number. Let me write 5. It says 5 is an odd number. So this is what the programming Python is thinking, okay? So when I write an even number, okay, what it's going to first take is put the variable as a and replace it with 2, okay? And now 2 remainder, which means the remainder 2, and it will think, okay, what is 2 divide 2? It's 1, right? But let's think, what's the remainder? And it will think it's 0. So then it's going to print it's an even number. If I write here an odd number, so a is replaced with, let's say, 5. And 5 divide 2, oh, this is an odd number. And 5 divide 2 is not 1, but the remainder is 1. So then it's going to write 5 is an odd number. So that's what it's thinking, okay? So thank you for listening to how do you do even and odd. I hope you like it today. So bye everyone and see you. And